Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Rachna Prasad. Thank you for being here and I'm really glad you are here. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I'm doing this the big book tag in which I showcase some of my big books that I own. So currently in the first tag, you have to name your 5 best books that you have read. Name them from smallest to largest. And then in the second tag, we have to name 2 books that we haven't read but they are on our TBR. So in the first tag, I'm going to start with Me Before You by Jojo Moyes, and this book is 498 pages long, and I am just assuming that big books are supposed to be more than 400 pages or at least 450 pages. So yeah, so this is the smallest book in this tag, which is 498 pages, and this book is quite lovely actually. And this book is about Lou Clark and Will Traynor. Will Traynor is someone who has been in an accident and who doesn't want to live his life, but Lou is here to change his mind. She works in his house as his caretaker, and things really take a turn. This book is really heartbreaking at some points, and this book is really fun to read at some points. And I really enjoyed reading it. So if you guys should give it a try if you're a romance lover, because this you will love this one. And the next book in this tag will be The Girl with the Dragon Tattoo by Stieg Larsson. This book is from Millennium series, and we can't talk about big books without Millennium series. So this book is about Lisbeth Salander and Mikhail Blomkvist, who is a journalist, and Lisbeth is a hacker. This book is so amazing. This whole series is my most favorite. So in the first book, Mikhail Blomkvist is going through this legal problem of his own, and but then uh, head of the Wenger company hires him to investigate this murder that happened more than 20 years ago. And then there are so many situations in this book that you're going to love and that will blow your mind. The way Elizabeth is portrayed in this book is it's just so amazing. The female character is so strong that it really makes you love the book. And yeah, the author has portrayed the characters really well in this book. So maybe give it a try. And the next book that I chose is A Wanted Man by Lee Child. This is a crime and mystery thriller. Oh, The Girl with Dragon Tattoo is 538 pages long. I forgot to add that detail. And the next book, this A Wanted Man, is 552 pages long. This book is about Jack Reacher. Lee Child writes this whole series kind of thing whose main protagonist is Jack Reacher. You guys can read this series as standalones too, because it has different stories to tell. So this book is pretty amazing. You just don't know where it takes you. The mystery is amazing, and the criminal activities that are shown are pretty awesome too. So I really enjoyed reading this book. This book wasn't really boring, because sometimes authors do that. They just add too much details or too much description for a particular situation that it just really bores me. But this one didn't. This was pretty intriguing and interesting to me. So yeah. The third book that I chose for this tag is The Girl Who Played with Fire by Stieg Larsson, and this is the second book of Millennium series. This book is 569 pages long. So this book continues some story from the first book, that is The Girl with Dragon Tattoo. So in this book, Elizabeth is accused of murders of a couple. So and she's nowhere to be found, and then Mikhail is stuck in this situation because of Lisbeth, and because he genuinely wants to help her. So there is all this murder, and then there is all this mystery, and then where is Lisbeth? So you guys can really enjoy this book. I won't say that this is the best book of this series. I think I ordered them. This will be the third book that's my most favorite from the series. But this book is really enjoyable. I love this book. You get to glimpse into Lisbeth's past a little bit, and you get to know a little bit about her and what really had happened to her. So yeah, I would really recommend this book to you. And I think you guys can read this series as standalone too, because the books have different stories to tell. But it's always better to read three books together, like as a series, because that way you know more and you get to enjoy the books more. And the last book for this tag is The Girl Who Kicked Hornet's Nest by Stieg Larsson, and this is the last book in Millennium series, and this book is 746 pages long. So I really love this book. This is my most favorite book from the series, and it doesn't matter that it's more than 700 pages. It's worth it. The story is so good that I have told you guys this million times that how much I love this series. So the murders that happened in the second book, they follow Lisbeth in this third book, and she is back. This mystery revealed from her past entirely, and there is this one part of this book that I loved so much. It's when Mikhail's sister Anika is in the courtroom, and that scene is just so great and so awesome. I find myself rereading that part over and over again, and I just enjoy it so much. That's it. This was the last book. And now moving to the next part of this tag, I have to show you guys the books, two big books that are on my TBR. So the first book is The Book Thief by Marcus Jukis. So this book has been on my TBR for such a long time, and I do mean to read this book soon, but I just something just comes up and I never do. But yeah, I do really want to read this book. I think this book is based on Holocaust and a book thief, as the name suggests, and I think the protagonist of this book is death, so that really intrigues me. But I don't know why I don't get around to read this series, but maybe I will soon. I hope so. I soon read this book because I have heard so many about this book. So this book is around 600 pages, and yeah, it's pretty fat. Uh, and yeah, I just hope I read this soon. It's not that it's a fat book. I definitely love reading big books, but yeah, I will get to reading it. Let's hope so. So yeah. The next book that's on my TBR is The Snowman by Joe Nesbo. Now, this book is Mhm. uh, this book is 550 pages long. Again, a big book, and we love that. So, I just bought this book like 3 weeks ago. I still haven't gotten around it. I will though, because I have been reading crime and thriller and mystery a lot this year, and I'm in love with that genre. So I am going to give this book try very soon, and I hope I love it. I have heard a lot about it. So in this book, what happens is the murderer, he leaves a snowman near the dead bodies, uh, if I'm not wrong. So yeah, and that's really interesting. I did read a book called The Poet by Michael Connelly, which was similar to this. The murderer used to leave poems near the dead bodies of victim, and that was a really great crime thriller I read. And then in this one, the killer leaves snowmans, which is really intriguing and fascinating. So I hope I like this. So yeah, that's the end of this tag, and I hope you like this video. I was not tagged by anybody to do this book tag, but it was really interesting, and I just wanted to do it because I love big books. So if you guys want to do this, feel free to do it. I will link the original video up here, or leave the link in the description, so make sure you check that out too. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.